So, let's make one.
Made in China. Can't get around it. A wireless. But let's take a look. And it doesn't work. A switch. Well, isn't that cute? Oh my. It also. I did not expect that. That's a bonus. That's a plus. The spade fork on the end worked pretty good for placing my little fairy lights. Alright, I believe I have just enough room. I've fed it from the bottom side where the wick comes into the bowl and feeding it out through the top. I did have to span it a little bit with a screwdriver so everything gets in there, and slowly but sure I will have all these through, and then we'll go down and out to my power supply. Now I got it. You know, I'm doing this on the fly. So here we go. And I'll be back when I get all these through. Okay, that wasn't too bad. And through there. And let's go ahead and pop that little guy on there. There we go. Now, time to stuff the Hurricane. I guess I'm just going with the flow. Oh, I like that. That's right. That's right. Not bad. Okay, so all I got to do now is splice these wires and put everything back together. Okay? So let me get to that. Okay, positive to positive. I'm going to do what's called a Western Union splice, and you make a cross, like a 90-degree angle, cross across, and just roll it around. Same with the other. Oh, it's already lit up. Isn't that good? Not perfect, but pretty dang close. This flux is getting kind of thick. I'm going to have to dilute it down with a little bit of isopropyl, 91%. Very good. Pretty cool. I kind of like that one. Steady on and off. Well, okay. Well, all right.